Hey Austin, Jenny here, and I've got a secret to share. You know that feeling when you're making a feast and everything is cooking exactly right, like a magic trick? Well, this isn't magic, it's a KitchenAid. And this model right here, the 30-inch 5-element electric convection range, is basically the culinary command center you've been dreaming of. Let's get right to it. Point number 1, take a look at this oven. That's not just a fan, that's an even heat true convection system. It features a unique bow tie design that circulates hot air throughout the entire oven, providing consistent temperatures for crisp, flaky baked goods. Think of it as a little helper, making sure your baking is always a masterpiece. Point 2, it has a 6.4 cubic foot oven capacity. That's a huge space. It easily handles multiple dishes at once, so you can cook that big holiday feast without juggling trays or waiting for one thing to finish before you can start another. Here's point number 3. This cooktop has 5 cooking elements, including a warm zone. That's a game changer. No more waiting for a free burner. Plus, that dedicated warming zone is perfect for keeping your food ready to serve without overcooking it. Number 4, here's a feature that takes the dread out of cleanup. AquaLift Self-Clean. It cleans your oven in less than an hour without any harsh odors and at a temperature below 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This innovative system combines low heat with water to release those stubborn baked-on spills. It's the little things, right? And finally, point number 5. Let's talk about those burners again. This range has 2 dual elements. This gives you flexible cooking surfaces that adjust to the size of your pots and pans. You can go from a small saucepan for a delicate sauce to a large pot for a family-sized stew, all on the same element. So if you're ready to upgrade your cooking game without draining your wallet, you know where to find us. New Appliance Outlet right here in Austin. That's NEU, it's like new, but more affordable.